Today I will show you how we can create a game and monetize it. We'll do everything by using an AI. Today I will show you how we can create a game by only using an AI, and I will use for that Claude. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change a thinking mode to extend it, and we create some simple game first to see how it works. Create a simple ping pong game in JavaScript. I press enter and let's wait for a result. Okay, it will use HTML5, Canvas and JavaScript. Let's wait. So we see the code as it's progressing, and obviously we can scroll and try to understand what's happening right now. We have a controls, we have a canvas, which is like a word, we have a controls, it's a design, there's a script, it's still commented because it will try to think about it. So first he collects like the information, and then it will go through every comments. Okay, it uncommented everything, and we have a simple ping pong game. Great. And I press V as it goes. I can play. Let's see if we can lose. I will not move now. And okay, we see the score. Great. So now I would like to change it, make it 3D, and use Three.js. So now we'll change dimension because now it's simple 2D. So now it should convert into a 3D visualization because it's just a simple game now, so everyone can use it. It will create a new iteration of that ping pong game, so we need to wait a little for that. Oh wow, we see 3D. Let's see how it works. Let's fix camera. I don't want to go up, and change movement of camera to stable. I don't want to move camera, but only player. So for now it should work better, because as we can see the camera goes really crazy and goes up and down because the camera is on the one place, so we have to iterate. So we're waiting for a moment. Okay, it's still making it, so we have to wait. Okay, the camera is now fixed. I press start the game, and it looks better. It looks way much better. Okay, it goes up, down. So now I don't want to go up by using W, and change the design to matrix theme. And we will change the design because it's a very simple one, so we will just kinda use a new design. The matrix theme, it will just pop up with animations, which is actually very good because you can use it to generate simple software. As well, you can use an extension, and by adding that extension you can try to ask to regenerate. As you can see, it's generated, and this is a table geometry. Now it will create digital rain effect. That's why I wanted to wait, because it's still using that like static black background picture. So we wait. As we can see, it's 12 iteration, and now we have it. And now let's see design, and now wow, now the controls are on point. We can use it, so it's great. As you can see, it works very well. And from that we can as well reset, and I want to find ways to monetize this type of game. Provide me examples. So I will be using that. One time per case, different pedal designs. We can add a virtual currency like code credits. As well, we have advertising models like terrestrial ads, rewarded ads, banner ads, some subscription services like Season Pass, Premium League, cross-platform account, distribution models, so it's possible even to sell it like online game. And I want you to implement customization panel for pedals. before game starts. So now it should implement as an additional module. Obviously that module, like customization, can be behind the paywall, so we can add like specific skins for the paywalls for real transaction, so we can get some money from that. So we have to wait. It will implement a new module, and I will show you how we can actually use it. In the meantime, actually, it's pretty possible to monetize this kind of thing, because there is a guy, Levelcio, and he has a game that is called Fly Peter. It makes $87,000 per month. It is a game that was made with AI 100%, without loading screens and gigabytes of updates, and basically he sells some kind of advertisement and makes money from that, and you can join that game and basically promote it. You can use services like TinyHost or Vercel, when you can upload your projects and basically integrate it with your own ecosystem. And as you can see, now we have a paddle customization. It's still regenerating. We can add even Canon.js for like better simulation, which is another framework. So if you make a game in JavaScript, maybe you can try to make a research which kind of frameworks that you can use for your game, because it's not always obvious. So it's still better to have a knowledge about the language that you are prompting to get the best results. So we have a few paddle designs. You have wireframe, Neo, Edge, and Trinity. We have a color. I will use the yellow. As well, we have a nice hover, enter the matrix, and as we can see, it has been changed, and now we can use it, which is awesome. So basically, this is how we can do it. And we have a code, we can publish it, and we can even download as a file. And when we have a possibility, I will use the TinyHost. So for a TinyHost, so basically, I'm using code. I will upload ping pong game. I will use publish. We need to wait a little bit. So it will work in the magic basically with one simple thing. We just upload file and then we add a single file that was downloaded. So this is the website. I can copy it over now, press, and this is the game. And basically we can enter. This is only visible because we are working on a website. Now press Neo. And as you can see, it works in my browser. So now we can even play, we can monetize. It's live. And this is the way we can monetize and fastly iterate throughout the other projects.